Viewers, very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, right now I'm standing nearby the Causicalus Jumca Bale or the Rangoon Creeper vine. Viewers, you can see that there are different colors in the flowers. Viewers, these flowers when bloom and blossom at night, they scatter a lot of fragrance all around, very captivating fragrance. And now you can see that when the day starts their color changes from light pink, and at the night their color becomes red before they fall down. I'm standing and I want to show you that hornets like the nectar of this flower because they bloom in thousands of quantity. You can see that and just now you have seen a single hornet. And viewers, I'm standing here just to take more and more views of these beautiful insects. You can see viewers, a short while ago I have seen three hornet blues sucking the nectar of these beautiful, lovely clusters of flowers. Viewers, I want to show you, I'm waiting, and I'm waiting. These hornets are very cautious, very wary of the presence of human beings and their voices, so that they have just gone away. But I'm to waiting for their return, so that you can also enjoy the glimpse of these magnificent insects over lovely flowers. Here you can also hear in distant the sweet melodious calls of nightingale as well. Another one has just arrived. Where the photography of nature is very